What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we are seeing a newly renovated home behind me for sale here in San Antonio, Tlayacapan on Lake Chapala. What we have behind me is a one level, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. They have done a wonderful job, I have to say, renovating this property. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Rich Varney and I'm a real estate agent in the area of Lake Chapala and have been for the past 7 years, helping clients buy and sell real estate. So if you need any help looking for a home, selling a home, please feel free to contact me. My email is here on the screen. So without further ado, let's go and check out this newly renovated property. Come with me today, guys. Welcome guys, come on through. This is the carport you have here, and what a great size carport. Space for 2 vehicles. This is where you'll also find your aljibe in Spanish, which is your cistern, your water tank. What I like about this property, just coming into it, is how fresh it feels under this carport. And I think what helps that is this beautiful tree to my left hand side, and you can actually walk around this part of the property too. So it's actually about 2 to 3 meters all along the side of this property. I love that. That helps with airflow and just makes the property feel a lot cooler. So walking out of the carport into a nice entrance area, this is a low maintenance front garden. I like what they've done with the bougainvillea flowers. Definitely more space for putting pots and things like that. What you'll notice when you're coming into this property is that it is an open concept. You have high exposed brick boveda ceilings above me. That really helps to create a lot of openness and space and airiness in this room. This is an open concept for living, dining, and a kitchen area. And what a beautiful space. It's a large room and everything just flows nicely. This looks like a brand new kitchen to me. Also with all brand new appliances, and this home comes with a solar system for your electricity. I like the choice of granite, the granite finish here. This is a matte type of granite. I love that kind of leather finish on that. It's like modern. Like the choice of the modern Mexican tile with the different color of the cabinetry as well. Looks great. I think it just gives this house this modern feel, keeping its original character. So this is where you're going to have your dining room table, and this is your living room area. The house is actually being sold unfurnished, but with the bits of furniture they have, you can kind of get an idea of what will fit in here. So let's go and check out the principal bedroom. Just before we do, this is the laundry area where you find the new washer and dryer. I'm coming into a nice room. This is the principal bedroom, and what a fabulous size room this is. Also topped off with a exposed brick boveda ceiling. It's a king size bed, so you get an idea of how big this room is. I like what they've done here. There's plenty of natural light. And out here, you can come out and walk around the property here, which is lovely. This would work perfect to put maybe a hot tub or something. You can come around to the front, to the back terrace here too, or come around here to the front of the property where we came into the carport. Behind me, we have the walk-in closet, and great size walk-in closet. Coming in here, we have a ensuite bathroom with one sink vanity, walk-in shower. The surfaces, the countertops are the same countertops as what we found in the kitchen. Let me show you the rest of the property. So we find the other 2 bedrooms actually as we come in from the main entrance of the property. The second bedroom is to my right, and good sized bedroom. You have some nice built-ins here. Again, if you wanted to put a king size bed in here, you could easily do it. Also just pointing out, all of the rooms are topped off with the boveda ceiling as well, so it gives all of the rooms that kind of extra height. This ensuite bathroom is used as a Jack and Jill from the other bedroom next to it, and it's a one sink vanity, same finishes throughout, and a nice walk-in shower with all that modern Mexican tile. So you can actually come into the other bedroom here, because this is used as a Jack and Jill. This room is a little bit smaller. It would work perfectly as an office or a bedroom. Not forgetting, guys, the outside covered terrace we have here. And they've done a wonderful job. You have a hookup here, so this is a great place for entertaining. By the way, we do a lot of al fresco eating here in Mexico because the weather's so good all year round. See, I could see out here, you'd have a really nice dining room table with some comfy seats. This is a perfect space to put your grill here. Actually has a ventilation fan above my head too, but just a great outside covered terrace. So this is a south-facing garden, so you're going to get a lot of sun most of the day in this area. The house works perfectly if you have a couple of dogs as well, because you've got a nice grass area here. This is where you can actually walk around to the front of the property too, that way. All in all, what a lovely covered terrace. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Here is my email. If you'd like to come and check out this property or any other property around Lake Chapala for that matter, feel free to email me. As per usual, all the information will be in the description of the video. Why not check out my free monthly newsletter? We talk about new listings coming on the market all the time. And subscribe and hit that notification button. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.